Hey guys, today we're making the easiest cookies ever. I will provide important tips throughout the recipe process. Then, let's get started. For the best results, use only a spotted, very ripe banana. The first step is to peel your banana. Two large, ripe bananas. You can use a food processor if you like, but I'm just demonstrating that the back of a fork works great for mashing ripe bananas to ensure the banana combines properly with the other ingredients. It's important to mash it until it is smooth and helps evenly distribute flavor and sweetness throughout the entire mixture. Transfer in a large bowl about 1 cup smooth mashed banana. Smoothly mashed banana is essential for even baking.
It's so sweet even without any sugar at all.
이게 요거위쿠쿠냐.
Add 2 cups or 160 grams shredded or clipped coconut. Give this recipe a try and let me know how yours turn out. Incorporate the coconut 1 cup at a time, mixing well between additions until fully combined. Mix until a sticky dough forms. It's important to scoop out the same small portions of dough so they bake evenly. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can use a tablespoon to measure the dough, but I am using an 1/8 measuring cup instead. Place them on a lightly greased or parchment-lined baking tray. Because the cookies do not spread, shape them exactly as you wish to be. Flatten the banana coconut cookie dough to a final thickness of 1/4 to 1/2 inch or zero point 0.6 to 1.25 centimeter before baking. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious videos. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. You now have soft, healthy cookies that are naturally sweet and incredibly easy to make. Thanks for watching.